channel. So today we are going to discuss check if it is possible to survive on an island. So it's an easy level problem. Let's see. In this, we there is a person on an island, and there the person has to spend some number of days, and the person can shop all the days except for Sunday. So that's the values which will be given to us in the input. N is the maximum unit of food the person can buy each day. So each day, this is the quantity of food the person can buy. Then we have S. S is the number of days the person has to survive, and M is the unit of food person consume in one day. So again, N is the maximum food which we can buy, the person can buy each day. S is the total number of days need to survive, and M is the food which the person take a day. So currently it's Monday, and the person has to survive for the S days, right? Okay, so let's see. And also the person cannot shop on Sunday, and rest 6 days of the week the person can shop. So let's see how we can approach this problem. So in output, we will be seeing that whether the person will be able to survive on the island, and if able to, then how many number of boxes or how many times the person need to shop for food. So 2 times the person will need to shop. Let's see. So I've taken this test case. Now let's first discuss what are the scenarios in which we cannot have an answer. That means the answer will be no. So first of all, M is the amount of food the person has to take each day, and N is the amount which the person can buy a particular day. So this is the amount which the person has to take, and this is the amount which the person can buy on on each day. So if M is greater than N, this could be a problem, because over here if we see that M is the amount of food the person has to have each day, and N is the maximum food which the person can get. So if this is greater than N, this is a case where the person cannot survive on an island. Second case is, now the person can shop for 6 days a week. We have 7 days a week, but the person can shop only on 6 days. The person cannot shop on Sunday. So if the person if the person shops each day, each 6 days, so the total food the person will have will be n into 6, because each day the person can take n, and for 6 days it will be n into 6. And if in case this value, which is the maximum food, is less than M is the consumption, and consumption will be for 7 days a week. So M is the amount of food person eat each day, right? So in this case, if M into 7 is less than N into 6, this is a case where the person cannot survive on the island. So basically these two are the cases where the person cannot survive. So these were the cases where answer will be no. Now let's see how we can get yes answer. Now this is pretty simple. So first of all, what total food the person have to have, like what will be the total consumption? 10 days the person need to survive, and each day the person take two this two like 2 kg or something of the food. So this is the total consumption for 10 days. and divided by the number of, like, the food we can get each day. So this was the total consumption, and this is food each day. So when we will divide this, we will get 20 by 16 and we will get 1, right? Now over here, there also there we also need to check that if this value 20 divided by 16, if 20 modulus 16 gives us a remainder which is not equal to 0, it means there are some days which are over a week. Then we need to have one more, we need to shop for one more time. So in that case, we will add one more day. So this will become 2 days where we need to shop. So this 2 will be the answer. Now also let's see how this is happening. So S is 10, N is 16 and M is 2. So we have S is 16 and M we have 2 and N is 16. So we have Monday, we have Tuesday, we have to survive. Over here it's 10, I guess. Yeah, S is 10. Yeah. Okay, so we have Monday, 10 days to survive. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Then we have Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So first of all, we will shop on Monday because currently it's Monday. It's given in the question. Currently it's Monday. We will shop once on Monday, and when we buy, we get n value. So 16 we have. So for Monday the consumption is 2. So 2 is used over here. We get 14. Then for Tuesday 2 is again used. We are left with 12. On Wednesday again we use, so we are left with 2. We use 2 and we are left with 10. And then again we use 2, we are left with 8. Again we use, we are left with 6. Again we use, we are left with 4. And again when we use, we are left with 2. Now we can have another one, we have another Monday. Then we will again use this and we will over here and we will have 0. Now the total days we need to survive is 10. So this was the first day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, sixth, seventh, 8th, 9th and 10th. So we need to require 2 more days, which is Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. But the food is finished, right? So over here for Tuesday we will again buy, right? So total time we are buying is 2 times. So again we will get 16 food. We will use 2, we left with 14, and for Wednesday we will use 2 and we left with 12. So overall we are shopping on 2 days. We are shopping 2 times. Hence the output or the answer is 2. So I hope you understood the logic. Let's check over the code. So this is the GFG code. So if you see the code, you can see that over here we are first checking the no condition. We discussed 2 no conditions over here. These were the 2 cases where the condition will be no, that if m is greater than n and if m into 7 is less than n into 6. So this is the no case. and else we are going to calculate the days, and if the modulus of this value is not equal to 0, it means we need to have one more day because some days are left, and then we print yes, and then we print the number of days. So I hope you understood the problem and the code. The problem was pretty simple, and the time and space complexity. So time will be O of 1, as we only have if conditions and simple statements like multiplication and all. So O1 is time, and space is also O1 because we are using variables only. So I hope you understood the problem. So the code and the problem link will be in the description, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.